learners, it's Missy, and welcome back to Missy's English, your cozy corner for learning English.
Hello, everyone. I am Tom. It is great to be here with you.
Tom, you sound very relaxed today. Did you have a nice morning?
Yes, I did. I had a really big breakfast. I love breakfast. It is my favorite meal.
Me too! It is the best way to start the day. But Tom, before we start our chat, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
That is right. If you like our conversations, please subscribe or follow this channel. It helps us make more episodes for you.
Exactly. Just click that button. Now, Tom, are you ready for our topic today?
I think so. What are we talking about?
Today we are talking about ourselves. We are going to learn how to introduce ourselves and talk about our lives.
Talking about ourselves? You know, Missy, I am sometimes a little shy. When I meet new people, I don't know what to say.
That is very normal, Tom. Many people feel nervous. They think, is my life interesting? Or what English word should I use?
Yes, exactly. I worry that I will make a mistake.
Well, don't worry. It is easier than it sounds. We will keep it simple.
Okay, so imagine we are at a party, or maybe a work meeting. Where do we start?
We start with the basics, your name and where you are from. So, Tom, let's practice. Hello, I'm Missy. What's your name?
Hi, Missy. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Where are you from?
I am from a small town near the mountains. It is very quiet there.
Oh, a small town? That sounds lovely. Is it beautiful?
Yes, it is very beautiful. There are many trees and rivers, but now I live in the city.
Ah, I see. You live in the city now. Do you like the city?
Yes and no. I like the restaurants, but I don't like the noise. The traffic is terrible.
I agree. The traffic is very loud. So, listeners, you can say where you are from and where you live now.
That is a good difference. I am from the mountains, but I live in the city.
Exactly. Now, Tom, let's talk about your home. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is not very big, but it is cozy.
Cozy. I love that word. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my friend Dave. We are roommates? Is that the word?
Yes! Roommates. That is perfect. Do you and Dave get along well?
Usually, but sometimes he is messy. He leaves his dishes in the sink.
Oh, no. That is annoying. I hate dirty dishes.
What about you, Missy? Do you live in a house?
Yes, I live in a small house. It has a garden.
A garden? I love gardens. Do you have flowers?
Yes, I have red roses and yellow flowers. I like working in the garden on the weekend.
That sounds very relaxing. So, we talked about home. What is next?
Next is usually family. People love to ask about family.
Okay. Ask me about my family.
All right, Tom, do you have a big family?
Not really. It is just my parents and my sister.
Oh, you have a sister. Is she older or younger than you?
She is younger. She is 25 years old.
That is a nice age. Does she live near you?
No, she lives in another country. She lives in France.
France? Wow. That is exciting. Does she speak French?
Yes, she speaks very good French. She is working there.
That is amazing. You must miss her.
I do, but we talk on the phone every Sunday.
That is good. It is important to stay in touch. Now, Tom, here is a question everyone loves. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Buster.
Buster? That is a cute name. What kind of dog is he?
He is a golden retriever. He is very friendly. He loves everyone.
Golden retrievers are the best. They are always happy. Do you take him for walks?
Oh yes, every morning. I have to wake up early to walk him, even when it is raining.
Oh, walking the dog in the rain is not fun.
No, it is wet and cold. But Buster loves the rain. He jumps in the water.
That is funny. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Usually, after family and pets, people ask about work.
Ugh, work. Do we have to talk about work?
Yes, we do. It is a very common question. What do you do?
Okay, well, I work in an office. I am a marketing assistant.
A marketing assistant? That sounds interesting. What do you do every day?
I write emails, I talk to customers, and I help my boss with projects.
Do you like your job?
It is okay. The people are nice, my colleagues are friendly, but sometimes it is a little boring.
I understand. Office work can be boring sometimes. What is your dream job, Tom, if you could do anything?
My dream job. I think I want to be a travel writer.
A travel writer. That sounds amazing. You could travel to France to see your sister.
Yes, and I could write about the food and the places. That would be perfect.
Well, maybe one day, Tom. Now, let's talk about something more fun. Free time. Hobbies.
Yes, I like this topic better than work.
So, Tom, what do you do in your free time? What do you do on the weekends?
Well, I love sports. On Saturday mornings, I play football with my friends.
Football. You are very active. I am usually sleeping on Saturday morning.
You have to wake up early. It is good for you.
And after football, what do you do?
After football, I am tired. So I usually go home and watch movies.
I like movies too. What kind of movies do you like?
I really like action movies. You know, fast cars and excitement. What about you, Missy? Do you like action movies?
Not really. They are too loud for me. I prefer comedies. I like to laugh.
Comedies are good too. Laughter is important.
Tom, do you have any other hobbies? Maybe something creative?
Well, I try to cook.
You cook? That is great. What can you cook?
I can make pasta. And I can make a pretty good omelet. But last week, I tried to bake a cake.
Oh? How was the cake?
It was terrible. It was hard, like a rock. I threw it in the trash.
Oh no! Baking is difficult. Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
You are right. I just need to be patient. I will try again soon.
That is the spirit. Now, Tom, I have another question about your daily life. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Definitely a night person. I hate my alarm clock.
I thought so. You said you need coffee to wake up.
Yes. In the morning, I am very slow. I push the button on my alarm 5 times.
5 times? That is terrible. I am the opposite. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
6 a.m.? Why? That is the middle of the night.
Because I have the most energy in the morning. I like to drink tea and read my book before work. It is quiet.
That sounds nice, actually. But I have energy at night. I usually stay up until midnight watching TV or read.
That is okay. Everyone is different. This is a great thing to share when you introduce yourself. I am a night owl, or I am an early bird.
Night owl. I like that. It sounds cool.
It is cool. Tom, let's look back a little bit. We talked about your job now, but what were you like at school?
Oh no, school. That was a long time ago.
Come on, it is a good topic. Did you like school?
It was okay. I liked seeing my friends, but I did not like studying.
What was your favorite subject?
I loved history. I liked learning about old kings and wars. It was like a movie.
History is fascinating. I liked history too, but my favorite subject was art.
Art? Of course. You love painting now. So you liked painting when you were a child too?
Yes, I was always drawing in my notebooks. My teachers were sometimes angry with me.
Missy, stop drawing. Listen to the grammar.
Exactly. Tom, were you a good student? Did you do your homework?
Usually. But sometimes I forgot. I was a little lazy.
I think many children are a little lazy. It is normal. Talking about school memories is a great way to connect with people. Everyone went to school.
That is true. It is a shared experience. We all had homework.
And we all had teachers we liked or didn't like.
Yes, I had a great history teacher, Mr. Banks. He was very funny.
A funny teacher makes learning easy, just like we try to do here.
That is true. Okay, Missy, we talked about daily life and school memories. But what about plans? What about the future?
Good point. When we introduce ourselves, we often talk about our plans. So, Tom, what are you going to do next summer?
Yes, I am so excited. I am going to go to Italy.
Italy! Wow, that is my dream. Why Italy?
I want to eat pizza, real Italian pizza. And I want to see the old buildings in Rome.
That sounds wonderful. I am going to eat pizza is a perfect sentence. But tell me, how long are you going to stay there?
I'm going to stay for 2 weeks. I want to relax.
That sounds nice. Are you going to go alone?
No, I am going with my best friend. We are going to take a lot of photos.
You must show me the photos when you come back.
Of course I will. You know, Missy, talking about ourselves is actually quite fun.
It is! And you didn't seem nervous at all. We just had a nice chat.
You are right. It was easy. Just a chat between friends.
Exactly. We talked about where we are from, our family, our pets, our jobs, and our holidays.
It is a lot of information, but it felt easy.
That is the secret. Just be honest and simple. People want to know you.
Missy, can I ask one more question?
Of course.
When someone asks, tell me about yourself, is it okay to say, I don't know?
Well, try not to say, I don't know. Just pick one thing. Say, I like dogs, or I like pizza. It starts the conversation.
That is good advice. Start with something small.
Exactly. You know, Tom, we used some really natural English phrases today.
We did? I was just talking.
That is the best way to learn. Let's look at our language spotlight for today.
Okay, what did we use?
First, remember when we talked about living arrangements? You used a specific word. You said, I live with my friend Dave. We are roommates.
Roommates. Yes.
Roommates. This is a very common word for people you live with who are not your family. It is friendly and clear.
It is better than saying house partner, right?
Yes, definitely better. Roommate is the perfect word. Second, when we talked about your sister, I asked if you had brothers or sisters. This is a great way to start a topic.
I said, she is younger. And you asked, is she older or younger?
Yes. Is she older or younger? It is a simple question, but it keeps the conversation going. It shows you are interested.
I like that. It is an easy question to remember.
And finally, we used a very useful grammar structure for the future. You asked me, what are you going to do?
And you said, I am going to go to Italy.
Exactly. Going to. We use this for plans, things we decided already. It sounds very natural.
Can I say, I will go to Italy?
You can, but going to sounds like you have a strong plan. I'm going to do it. It feels more real.
Okay, I am going to have dinner soon.
Perfect. See, you are doing it already.
So, those are our 3 spotlight phrases. Roommates, older or younger, and going to. Simple and friendly. Great for real life. Before we go, we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, here is our question of the day. Do you like to cook? Tell us one thing you can cook well.
Oh, now I am hungry. I want to read about food in the comments.
Me too. Please write to us. And if you enjoyed this chat, please like and subscribe to help us grow.
It really helps us a lot.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep learning, keep smiling.
And we'll see you in the next English chat. Bye-bye.